Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line down here are coming from, and want to get things updated here as the chart continues to slowly make its way upwards. Not nearly as boisterous as it was, with the big gap up and such, but over the past couple of days, it's just slowly been drifting upwards. And while not as exciting as massive gap ups, as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, that is healthy for the chart. And, as long as that continues, then that's what you want to see from a bigger picture perspective. So the one update I'm going to do, and before I get to update, more so kind of a little house cleaning, is based around this purple line here, which is a 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving higher and higher. And the key thing going forward here is that easy way to judge the health of the chart is that as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. So this is kind of like the overall trend line, if you will. In fact, I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people, because if you don't want to draw a trend line, well, that's fine, because these moving averages are going to quote-unquote draw themselves for you. And because this purple line has now separated up above and gone above the green line there, it has taken higher priority of it. So that's why I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that line there. Sure, it still pertains. It's just not a super high priority, given you still have $3.20, which is the green line I talked about yesterday. And then you also have, again, that 50-period simple moving average as support. So again, from the big picture perspective, as long as the price stays above the purple line as time passes, the bulls are in full control of the current move. What about areas of resistance? I do want to get one mapped out now, as there seems to be a little location up there where the sellers are currently hanging out. And that level is right up here at, we're going to call it $3.80. If you go back through the history of the chart, you can see right there the price was directly rejected from $3.80. And then this afternoon didn't quite hit it, but I think we all agree got pretty darn close to being rejected. So for whatever reason, kind of a random number, but $3.80 is that current area of resistance. But all in all, bulls keep on, chugging upwards, quietly building those higher bases. And then from the bigger picture of things, when I scrunch it up, you can see that the price is still building those higher overall bases. And that's what you want to see, continue to see happen going forward. So we'll see what happens with it tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.